Welcome to our compliance presentation. Compliance is extremely important to all healthcare professionals. It is rules and regulations that must be followed to ensure that all standards are met. There are three elements that make up compliance. They are code of ethics, medical malpractice, and cultural competency. Code of ethics. All healthcare professionals are bound by a strict code of ethics. What is code of ethics? It is described as the moral principles that makes one apply both values and judgments in order to practice medicine. One of the most common code of ethics that just about everybody has heard about is the Hippocratic Oath that physicians take upon their graduation ceremony. The principles of medical ethics is the respect for autonomy, beneficence, non-maleficence, justice, respect for person, truthfulness, and honesty. Autonomy is defined as the concept that rational adult decision makers have the ability and should be given the opportunity to self-govern or make decisions for themselves. When it comes to the healthcare field, we see this as the right that one has to accept or reject any recommended treatments, procedures, or clinical trials that have been brought to them. Beneficence is the ethical principle and requirement to benefit and care, otherwise do good, for others. It is especially relevant in the healthcare field because its goals are to not only care but also benefit patients and clients. Non-maleficence is the ethical principle that requires people to avoid causing needless harm to others or to minimize the harmful but necessary consequences of their actions. It has been termed the primary duty of physicians. Above all else, do no harm. And justice speaks for itself. It means fairness. Medical malpractice. Medical malpractice is known as the act in which a physician or other healthcare professional treats any patient in any manner that is not the standard of medical care set by our government. We find that a largest portion of the lawsuits that we see today for medical malpractice are from misdiagnosis or delayed diagnosis. Cultural competency. Cultural competency is having the capacity to function effectively as an individual within the context of the cultural beliefs, behaviors, and needs presented by consumers and their communities. There are three principles of cultural competency. They are acknowledgement of the importance and prevalence of the culture in people's lives, the respect for cultural differences, and the third but not least is the minimization of the negativity consequences arising from cultural differences. I greatly appreciate each and every one of yours attention during this presentation, and I hope it furthered your knowledge and understanding.